Her family thought she was missing, until their doorbell camera recorded her walking back home at 3:17 a.m. The problem was she had already been gone for 2 days. A 22-year-old woman named Rachel disappeared after leaving work late on a Friday night. Her car was found behind a closed grocery store. The doors were locked. Her purse was still inside, but her phone was missing. Police searched the area, checked traffic cameras, and interviewed everyone who knew her. Nothing. Then, on Sunday morning, her parents got a motion alert from their front door camera. When they opened it, they saw Rachel standing on the porch. She was wearing the same clothes from the night she vanished. Her hair was messy, her face was pale, and she was staring directly into the camera. Her dad ran downstairs and opened the door, but nobody was there. Police reviewed the footage and noticed something strange. Rachel never walked up to the porch. The camera just turned on, and she was already standing there. Then they checked the audio. At first, it sounded like static. But when they turned it up, they heard Rachel whisper one sentence: "He knows where the cameras are." The next day, police found her phone in a mailbox 3 streets away. There was only one new photo on it, a picture of her parents' front door, taken from inside the house.